Welcome to my channel. Please like, comment and subscribe. In this video, we are going to talk about Houston Maritime Lawyer. Have you been injured in a maritime accident off the coast of Houston, Texas? You may be entitled to substantial monetary settlement or award. However, offshore accident claims can be complicated. Let the experienced maritime attorney injury lawyer and attorney Brian White personal injury lawyers help you fight for the compensation you need. We are known for being relentless and doing whatever it takes to help maritime injury victims get the money they deserve. Let us put more than 45 years of collective experience to work for you. You can contact a maritime lawyer to arrange a free consultation. Our team will gladly review your case, explain your option, and answer any question you have. Houston, unlike most other major urban areas in Texas, is a coastal city, so the water plays a large role in Houston's economy and culture. The Port of Houston is one of the busiest seaports in the world. Every day, hundreds, if not thousands, of commercial and personal watercraft use Galveston Bay, Trinity Bay, the East Bay, and the Gulf of Mexico to get to and from docks in Houston. Not all of these trips are uneventful. Accidents happen on and around the water all the time. These are known as maritime accidents, meaning of or having to do with the sea. At Attorney Brian White Personal Injury Lawyers, our maritime attorneys represent clients who have suffered injuries in a maritime accidents that include personal watercraft accident, cruise ship accident, military or navy accidents, barge accidents, tugboat accidents, tanker accidents, cargo ship accidents, shipyard accidents, deck accidents, slip and falls, explosion and fires, basket and transfer accidents, commercial fishing accident, offshore drilling and brig accidents, jacob brig accident, and many others. It doesn't matter whether you are a worker who was injured while working on a dock or out on the high seas, or if you got hurt while enjoying some recreational time out on the water. Our personal injury lawyers in Houston are here to help. We will carefully investigate your case, determine all possible courses of legal action, and help you fight to get the money you deserve. Your first consultation is free, so contact our Houston law firm a call today to learn more. Why should I hire an attorney for help with a maritime injury case? Accidents do not just happen on a dry land, they also happen on docks, in shipyards, and out at sea. When they do, injury claims can be challenging. Does your case fall under state or federal jurisdiction? Which United States maritime laws governs your case? If you're working, are you entitled to maintenance and cure, the maritime equivalent of workers' compensation? These are all important questions. In order to get the answer you need, it is important to enlist the help of qualified and experienced Houston maritime injury lawyer. An attorney Brian White personal injury lawyers, our experienced lawyer understand how physically and emotionally devastating maritime injuries can be. We also know how much of an impact money can make in the weeks, months, years that follow. You can trust that we will draw on your considered experience and vast financial resources to help you in your time of need. When you hire us to handle your maritime cases, you can expect to us investigate. We can be your best advocate unless we know what caused your injury, your accidents, why you got hurt, and who is responsible. So we will roll up our sleeves and scrutinize your maritime accident from every possible angle. We will gather evidence, interview witnesses, subpoena documents, and consult with experts. We will do whatever it takes to answer these fundamental questions so that we can build the strongest possible claim on your behalf. And then the next is research. Maritime law is complex depending on the circumstances of your case. One or more maritime laws might apply to your case. This includes the Jones Act, Longshore Act, Outer Continental Shelf-Length Act, Death on a High Seas Act, Longshoremen and Harbor Workers Compensation Act, and Limitation of Liability Act. There are also more general maritime laws that might be applicable. Our team will carefully review the specific of your case to determine which laws apply and how those laws can be used to help you recover the compensation to which you are entitled. Our detailed approach can help to ensure that you are fully compensated for all of your maritime injuries. And then bring in experts. Maritime accidents are unlike those that happen on land. It is a whole different world out there. In order to make sure that we really understand your case, we'll bring in specialists, professionals, and experts to help us paint a more detailed picture of what happened. This might include former military, personnel engineers, and forensic specialists, mechanical experts, doctors, and marine safety experts. The more we understand the nuts and bolts of your case, the better prepared we'll be to fight for you. And then negotiate and, if necessary, litigate. We will work tirelessly to negotiate a fair settlement offer on your behalf. We will stand two to two with multinational corporation insurance companies, employers, and at faulty parties. We will invest whatever time, money, and resources are necessary to do so. However, we will never take the threat of a trial off the table. An attorney, Brian White, personal injury lawyers, our legal team is well known for their successes in the courtroom. If negligence or responsible parties do not cooperate, we won't hesitate to bring your case to a jury so that you have the opportunity to get the money you deserve. And then leading causes of offshore and maritime accident in Houston. Accidents on docks, in shipyard, and on vessels are not uncommon in and around Houston. Many of these accidents are the result of defective machinery or equipment, inadequately hiring, training, and or supervising employees, not following industry rules and regulations, not following company safety protocols, unsafe working conditions, unsettlement weather, distractions, drugs and or alcohol, rushing or working too fast due to the pressure from an employer, overworking, fatigue, and a lack of necessary safety equipment. There is a common thread there here. Negligence accident for the most part should be avoidable. However, they happen when someone, whether it is a worker or employer, does not exercise the degree of care that is necessary to stay safe. When you get hurt due to someone else's negligence or even your own, in some cases you might be entitled to compensation. Our team represents all injured maritime workers, including longshore and harbor workers. Call us to find out how we can help you fight to recover damages for your offshore injuries and pain and suffering. Common maritime accident injuries in Houston, Texas. Accident on board on a ship, vessels, or dock can be particularly frightening. The fact that you are near and surrounded by water can raise the stakes no matter what type of accident you are on or what type of injury you have sustained. Attorney Brian White, personal injury lawyers, is here to help. We will stand by your side and fight to get money for all of your maritime injuries, big or small, including broken bones, drowning, brain injuries, including those caused by blunt force trauma, chemical exposure, and oxygen deprivation, back and neck injuries, head injuries, amputation and lost limb, paralysis, spinal cord damage, hypothermia, crushing injuries, wrongful death, and more. Contact our Houston law firm today to discuss your maritime injury case in detail. Are your injuries so severe that you are unable to leave your home or the hospital? That shouldn't stop you from getting the help you need, so we can arrange a time to come to you. Just give us a call today to learn more. Were you injured while working on the high seas? Maritime law provides that employers must provide maintenance and cure for injured or sick workers. This is kind of like workers' compensation for employees who get hurt while working on land. However, unlike workers' compensation claim, doubts and ambiguities are resolved in favor of injured seamen, not the employer. That's definitely a benefit for seamen and offshore workers who put their lives at risk on the open seas. I think that's all, guys, the information that I can say to you. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to share this video to your friends, family, and your loved one. Maybe they need information about maritime topics, so when you share this video to them, it means you already help them to get through the problems. Thank you so much, guys, for watching, and I hope you can take advantage from the video that I've said to you. Don't forget to give like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Bye bye guys, see you in another video.